couple of you asked for a running video of the 1947 Ford Woodie wagon, so here we are in the driver's seat, and we're going to take it for a little spin down the road. So if you haven't driven one of these before, interestingly enough, your ignition switch is an on switch right here, so you just flip that on, and you come over here with your thumb, and we've warmed it up already, but it does start nicely cold. You just push this button, and she's running. So this car starts instantly, hot or cold. It does have a choke right down here, and of course, have you seen the other video that the horn works? There it is. The horn works, and all the gauges work. The temperature, the charge, the oil, and then the fuel gauge, which the gas is low in. So anyway, let's just take it for a ride. The brakes are solid on it. And of course, 3 on the tree, so down and towards us for first, and here we go. Kind of on a little bit of a downhill here. We'll check the brakes. All right, we're stopped. Might still be a little bit cold. Stalled out on me there. And we've driven this car on a couple of short distant trips to the next town and here and there, 30-40 miles kind of a thing. Nothing major. The car runs smooth, it charges nicely, the generator works fine. It really doesn't let go of the wheel. It really doesn't have any aggressive pull to the left or to the right. The turn signals work on it, the headlights, the high beams, the low beams, all that sort of thing. It's got good torque too. I just took that turn, and you can see I'm still in 3rd gear. I did not even have to shift up in a second. That's one of the things with these flathead V8s is you do have good torque. Let's take another here turn. I'll show you. Going around this turn at just about 10 miles an hour, still in 3rd gear, and here we go. Now I could, and you can see it shifts up without grinding. Now I'm in 2nd, and she really takes off nicely. Might be a little fast for these pothole streets here. The car does have good suspension. It doesn't rattle around or wander. You can see I got my hand off the wheel here, and she's still going straight. So anyway, just a quick little running video of the 1947 Ford Woodie. If you have any further questions, certainly feel free to give me a call, and I'd love to show it to you. All right, we've stopped here, and my foot's off the gas pedal, and she's still running. We'll take off one more time and put it, well, just for the fun of it. Let's just go in reverse here so you can see that, of course, she does work fine in reverse. There's no grinding or noise or anything like that. Brake it in reverse. Back to first, and we'll kind of head for home here. All right, 1st gear. 2nd gear, and there's 3rd.